So I'm just going to be giving a quick walkthrough of the North Lowell Electrical Customer Reward System. When you open the file and access, this is the first form that pops up. It's in form view so that nothing can be edited or broken or anything like that. There's two options. There's a log on button and a drop down menu. Let's see. If we press log on, we get an error message. We must first select an employee. So that's okay. I'm just going to select myself from the drop down menu, log on, and it brings us to the home form. Now the home form launches the other functions of the system all from one place. So let's say, for example, we get a new hire and we want to go to maintain employee data. You'll see that we have the three options that were shown in the login screen, and we want to add a new employee, Rowdy Riverhawk, local celebrity, and 100 Pawtucket Street in Lowell, Massachusetts. 01852, I think, is the zip code. Could be wrong. And we'll put in the phone number, 978-934-4000. Rowdy@gmail.com. Put in an email, and then once we get to birth date, we see that there are options to select manually or select automatically, or enter manually. So we're just going to select automatically. We'll say he was born today, and that's all we have to do. We can close the form. So if we open up the employees table, we can see that there's a new entry. Now, generally, he would be number 4, but we have added and taken out a few employees while testing out the system. So it will automatically update by 1. So the next employee would be 9, then 10, and so on. So perfect. I just want to show you, for example, if we go back to the logon form, Rowdy Riverhawk is on there as an option. We can log on as him. So let's go to maintain customer data. Let's say someone wants to create a new rewards account with us. Jim Leahy. And we're going to go with 123 Sunnyvale Ave, Lowell, Massachusetts, and this is essentially the same thing as the employee creation screen. So 01852, enter the phone number 978-743-1100. Customer email jleahy@gmail.com. And now, if you want to enter manually, you have to go, you do the month, and then you have to put a slash between, then date, and then we'll say he wasn't born today. We'll say he was born 1998, example. And then you should be all set. So you press enter. That will update. If we check the customer table, we see Jim Leahy is in here, all of his information, and we see he currently has 0 rewards points because he has not bought anything yet. So if we go back to the home form, let's say we want to just create a new purchase. Someone comes up, they want to buy something. So we can see Rowdy Riverhawk with his employee ID. This can't be modified, so you can't say you're someone else or you're making a purchase on a different date or anything funny like that. So let's go to the drop-down menu. Let's pick our newest customer, Jim Leahy. We see that he has 0 available points at this time. That's okay. So we can go in, we can pick from a list of different items. Let's say Phillips screwdriver, let's say pliers, let's say outlets, maybe a home security system. He's a big spender. And we can edit the quantities. Now, one cool thing, if I put 5 here, I happen to know there's only 2 in stock. So you get an error message, and the quantity will automatically be adjusted to however much you have on hand. So you have your subtotal, rewards discount, which in this case is 0 because he doesn't have any rewards to use. And we can go complete purchase. And if you accidentally press this, you can cancel out and go back. You won't lose anything. But you can complete purchase, press OK. And this is going to give you a receipt. Currently, this is just a print preview because we don't have a printer set up. But if you wanted to, you could print this as well. So this is going to give you all the information from the previous screen on a receipt. So perfect. Now let's open this and we can see now Jim has some points. So if he wants to do another purchase, we can go through, we can select Jim Leahy. And again, similar to the item quantities, if I put 150 on accident, I type it wrong, it's going to be automatically adjusted. So you don't have to worry about that. Now let's just go through again, do another purchase, doorbell camera, the flashlight, some different stuff. We can scroll through, pick out some different things, and then we can go on and we can complete the purchase. You'll see that there's a rewards discount, 2 cents for every reward point that's being used. And if you look, you can see that is being subtracted from the total. And we go complete purchase, and it's essentially the same thing. We can see what was bought, the rewards discount, the purchase total, the date, all that valuable information that we want. So now we're just going to open the customer table one more time. You can see Jim Leahy currently has 0 points. Now, if you use rewards points for a purchase, you're not going to earn any points. And you can see his customer rewards lifetime. In case you want to know that, he has had 140 points, but currently has 0 because he spent them all. So that's about it. That is the basic functionalities of this system.